You're about to hear something you were never supposed to know. Something history books have been terrified to admit for decades. Have you ever stopped to ask yourself, why is the real reason behind the pyramids still a classified secret? Because it turns out, the tomb story was just a cover. While the world looks at the surface, something deep inside is finally waking up, and it's not human. Are you ready to see what they've been hiding?
Welcome back to the Untold Crypt. Look, we don't just tell stories here. We crack open the forbidden vaults of history that the world was meant to forget. If you're hooked on secret history, bone-chilling mysteries, and mind-bending science facts, you're in the right place. Do yourself a favor, hit that subscribe button and join the inner circle so you never miss a deep dive into the unknown. Smash that like button if you're ready to dig deep now.
Mainstream history claims the pyramids were just tombs, but evidence suggests a far more complex reality. This investigation explores the Giza necropolis as a masterfully engineered project, integrating advanced geometry and precision that points to a visionary ancient technology. The Giza necropolis is not just a collection of haphazard pyramids. It is a highly engineered, planned project that defies traditional historical explanation. This complex represents a historic integration of advanced geometry and precision, placing an ancient, visionary technology at the heart of our planet's greatest mystery. What if the sprawling complex of pyramids and temples wasn't merely a graveyard for kings, but a meticulously designed, interconnected system on a planetary scale? We are taught to see Giza as a final resting place, a monument to death. But a closer look reveals something far more profound and alive. The precise alignment of the pyramids to the cardinal points, the mathematical constants like pi, and the golden ratio embedded in their very dimensions. These are not coincidences. This level of planning and execution points to a singular, unified vision, a grand design that stretches far beyond the scope of simple burial practices. The sheer scale and accuracy of the construction have puzzled engineers for centuries. How could a civilization, supposedly equipped with only primitive copper tools and brute force, quarry, transport, and place multi-ton blocks where the precision modern cranes would struggle to replicate? The answer is they couldn't. This wasn't a product of simple human labor. It was the result of a lost science, a forgotten technological blueprint that has been deliberately obscured from our history books. This ancient, visionary technology is the key to unlocking not just the secret of the pyramids, but the secret of our own past. We are looking at the remnants of a global project, and Giza was its central hub. Evidence suggests the Great Pyramid was not a tomb, but a unique technological framework, a machine designed to function as a wireless power plant. Its internal structure, with its ascending and descending passages, grand gallery, and so-called chambers, bears a striking resemblance to a sophisticated piece of machinery. Consider the materials used. The bulk of the pyramid is limestone, an insulator, while the inner passages and chambers were lined with granite, a conductor rich in quartz crystals. This is not the choice of a tomb builder. It is the choice of an electrical engineer. The grand gallery, with its corbelled walls and mysterious notches, acts as a perfect resonant cavity designed to amplify vibrations. The Queen's Chamber, far from being a burial space for a consort, shows chemical evidence of a powerful reaction with salt encrustations suggesting an electrolysis process in evolving hydrogen gas. This wasn't a final resting place. It was a chemical reaction chamber, a core component of the power generation process. The King's Chamber, built entirely of red Aswan granite, sits at the heart of this machine. Above it, 5 layers of massive granite beams, known as the relieving chambers, were not built to relieve structural weight. Instead, their precise dimensions and composition suggest they were a stack of piezoelectric transducers, designed to convert immense geological vibrations from the Earth itself into electrical energy. The pyramid was a colossal engine, tapping into the natural frequencies of our planet to generate and transmit power. This rapid realization of ancient precision has triggered intense debate, as similar pyramid structures and energy transmitters are found from Egypt to the bottom of the ocean. The Giza complex was not an isolated miracle. It was the centerpiece of a global network. From the stepped pyramids of Mesoamerica to the newly discovered structures beneath the waves of the Pacific, a clear pattern emerges. These ancient sites share remarkable similarities in their design, alignment, and probable function. The Pyramid of Teotihuacan in Mexico is built over a layer of mica, a powerful insulator, just as the Great Pyramid utilized insulating limestone and conductive granite. Underwater sonar has revealed pyramid-like structures in the Bermuda Triangle and off the coast of Japan, suggesting this network was once far more extensive. Before a cataclysmic event and rising sea levels submerged large parts of this ancient civilization. These structures, often aligned with specific star constellations, formed a worldwide grid, a wireless energy network that powered a global civilization we know nothing about. The obelisks, often found near these pyramid sites, were not just decorative monuments. These monolithic towers, capped with electrum, a gold-silver alloy, acted as antennae or transmission towers, broadcasting the energy generated by the pyramids across vast distances. We are not looking at isolated cultures building monuments. We are looking at the substations and transmission towers of a forgotten global power company. The evidence is scattered across the globe, hidden in plain sight, waiting for us to connect the dots and realize the true scale of their technological prowess. Observers point to the existence of the Osiris shaft and elongated skulls of pharaohs like Akhenaten, raising questions about the long-term impact of extraterrestrial routines on human evolution. While the technological evidence is overwhelming, the biological anomalies are even more startling. Deep beneath the Giza Plateau lies the Osiris shaft, a multi-level subterranean complex plunging more than 100 feet into the bedrock. At its lowest level, submerged in water, lies a massive, precisely carved granite sarcophagus, far too large for any human. Mainstream Egyptology offers no satisfactory explanation for its purpose or the incredible feat of engineering required to lower it into such a deep, confined space. What was this shaft for? And who, or what, was it meant to contain? This mystery deepens when we examine the rulers of this era themselves. The pharaoh Akhenaten is consistently depicted in statues and reliefs with bizarre, non-human features. An elongated skull, a slender, elongated neck, wide hips, and a distended belly. This isn't artistic license. His entire family, including his wife Nefertiti and their daughters, are shown with the same cranial elongation. These elongated skulls are not unique to Egypt. They have been found in ancient sites across the world, from Peru to Russia. Genetic analysis is often proven inconclusive or shown anomalies that cannot be explained by known human migratory patterns. Are we looking at a genetic legacy, the result of direct intervention or interbreeding with a non-human species? These beings, depicted as gods or kings, may have been the architects of the technology we see, a guiding hand that shaped not just our pyramids, but our very DNA. The routines and knowledge they introduced have left an indelible, and perhaps ongoing, impact on our evolution. Why is mainstream history actively challenging the evidence of electrical symbols and machine-like precision, potentially hiding the true future of global energy and communication? This is the narrative paradox we face. Despite mounting evidence from chemical traces in the chambers to the undeniable electrical schematics hidden in temple, reliefs like the Dendra light bulb, which clearly depicts a large glass bulb with a filament and a power cable, the official narrative remains unchanged. We are told these are symbolic representations of mythology, not functional diagrams of technology. Why the resistance? Why is the academic establishment so determined to dismiss the power plant theory and the evidence of non-human intervention? Perhaps because admitting the truth would shatter the very foundation of our history, our religion, and our understanding of human potential. To acknowledge that a past civilization possessed clean, free, wireless energy would call into question our entire modern economic and energy paradigm, a system built on the consumption of finite, polluting fossil fuels. Could it be that this technology was never truly lost, but actively suppressed? The knowledge of this global energy network could unlock a future of unlimited power and global connectivity, freeing humanity from its dependence on a system controlled by a powerful few. The true mystery is not what the pyramids were, but why we are being prevented from knowing. Mainstream history isn't just misinterpreting the past. It's actively hiding a future that could reshape our world. Thanks for watching. If you were fascinated by this journey into the past, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more deep dives into history's greatest mysteries. Let me know in the comments where you think Cleopatra's tomb is hidden. See you next time.